Guys, never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment. Never take the alarm off the wall or the ceiling. Never take the screws off the alarm. Never take the strobe or the horn off the alarm. Never disable the sound or the strobe on the alarm. Never paint the alarm. Never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela or tone on the alarm. Never cut power to the alarm. Never put food or drinks on the alarm. Never urinate on the alarm. Never put the alarm in the dishwasher, the washing machine, the dryer. Never flush the alarm down the toilet. Never put the alarm in the sink. Never put the alarm in the bathtub or the shower. Never put the alarm in the swimming pool. Remember, if you put the alarm in water, you are going to break it for good. If you flush the alarm down the toilet, then it's gone for good, which is not good at all. So, I'm serious. Never replace the alarm sound with other sounds. Don't throw the alarm. Don't put your clothes on the alarm. Don't punch the alarm. Don't smash the alarm. Don't ever color on the alarm. Don't ever take the fire lettering off the alarm. Don't ever take the manufacturer logo off the alarm. Don't ever take the image of the running man escaping from the fire off the alarm, and don't ever cross out that image. Don't ever pull the fire alarm for fun. And also don't ever open a pull station with a key or a screwdriver. Don't ever throw balls at the alarm. Don't ever put the alarm on people or pets. And don't ever put your schoolwork on the alarm. Don't ever put your teachers on the alarm. Don't ever put your principals on the alarm at school. Don't ever put your classmates on the alarm at school. Do not ever put your car on the alarm or any of your vehicles. Don't ever put your house on the alarm, or else it will be hidden. Never put the alarm on your dog. Never allow your dog to chew up the alarm. Remember, this is a life safety device. This is never to be messed around with. Bye.